open it, you see inside it. We made it out of the boxes.
Owabazeire abayishomere lya Kagadi Senior Secondary School rukushango mu district ya Kagadi babiri batayira abana babo abeje bayishomere borekere bintu bitari bimwe na bimwe bakoze ise emikono yabo bari kugira ngo nibahwera munonga okutunga akasente bwanyuma yo kubiguza abantu abahikaine n'ishomereri orumukuru webiwegese umuyishomereri Tofiru byargaba ashoborere ngo habeje abari kurengo mu 13 bari mu ishomereri ndabafayo munonga kurebeka ngo buri mwana yagira ikintu cyo mukono ekiyayega ekine Amatsiko nkija kubahwera munonga n'ubarabe batabase kutunga mirimo ya office kwebeisaho.
Alongside biology and geography, we have also other clubs like the Girl Guide that improvised in making sanitary pads. You are well aware that some people drop out, some learners drop out of school due to lack of sanitary pads. So as the school, we are improvising in sanitary pads. Then in physics, learners made this improvised thermometer and is doing well.
Muringo nugogumwe Silvia owomugisha uyu mushomesa ayishomerere kandi uri kutendeka abana ukwekora obutambara uburi kumanywanka sanitary pads nagira ngo iki twerere munonga beji okuguma umuyishomero.
Would be to also cope up or with our project here of making sanitary pads, and maybe if we can still be given a chance, we can still go outside our school. We go in the communities like churches and homes. Still we need these children to take the project home. They can still help other people.
Mbigambo bye orumukuru w'akakiiko k'abazaire aka Parents Teachers Association niga shaka kumanywa nka PTA Zainabu Kabacamba ahigira abazaire bagenzi be kurebeka ngo bakwatira hishomereri umukuto mu nkora Karicuramu Ensya umusekendri
mwarozere muno mwijuke hakuha umusoro gutwahaganira urwaho turindira 10 obwirobu na hakibuno obwirobu tubumu nebyombeke mu kurora no abana kuba smart haruho rutambo rw'amani.
And this one, it's what we use to hold on it, then measure our temperature. And this is a sensor that we used. Once you touch on it like this, then it starts to count what it's your body temperature. And
ishomero eri Kagadi Senior Secondary School rumu abana bari kurenga mu 13 kandi hari abana 530 nibo bari bashitame ibibuzo eby'ikibina cya kana mu college ya New Lower Secondary Curriculum.
Most of them they had to purchase out of that liquid soap, and it was both it is good. If you hear it is having a very good scent which can attract very many people. That liquid soap, it can help to reduce on the spread of germs through shaking hands. Like if someone is having cough and they use that liquid soap, it acts as a sanitizer. You are going to use a metal bucket. This caustic soda, it can easily melt it. So that's why we are advising someone to use a plastic.
Makuraga gasha kwa Andrew Musinguzi aba Sky TV ya Genshonga muri Kagadi.